Hello students. In this video we are going to discuss the topic Revolution of Liberals, Frankfurt Parliament, Germania and Mariana, Silesia Weber Uprising, Hunger, Hardship and Revolt, and Romanticism. Now we come on the topic Revolution of Liberals of 1848. As we know that liberals wanted to remove the rule of conservative regime, as conservatives followed the absolute monarchy system. Liberals had some ideas and plan for the country. They wanted the formation of nation state constitution. They wanted freedom of press and freedom of association. Actually, middle class was supporting the revolution of liberals. Revolution of liberal was a landmark in the history. Some basic fundamental rights were recognized by the revolution of liberals. Now we come to another important topic, Frankfurt Parliament. This topic can also be called as liberal movement in Germany. In Germany, 831 elected representatives held a meeting in Frankfurt. Actually, they declared themselves as the real representative of Germany. They formed a parallel government against the conservative, but there was a problem. They didn't have parliament, so St. Paul Church was converted into a parliament. They demanded constitutional monarchy, but they lost the support of women and workers. They did not include the demand of workers, and they lost the support of workers. And when women's section reached the Frankfurt Parliament, they were not even given the place to sit down. They were kept at a visitors gallery. So they also lost the support of a women's section. Conservatives called the army and the parliament was dissolved. Now we come the topic whether liberal movement was unsuccessful. We cannot say that liberal movement was unsuccessful. After the liberal movement, conservatives thought that it is very difficult to suppress the liberals, so they decided to grant some ideas started by liberals. Serfdom system was abolished, feudal system was abolished, and several areas were given autonomy. So we can say that liberal movement was quite successful in the way it achieved some its basic points. It was the result of liberal movement that formation of constitution and nation state began to form in different parts. Now we come on the topic Germania and Mariana. Germania and Mariana were the alizri. Germania was the alizri of Germany and Mariana of France. Mariana was recognized as red cap, tricolored, and the cockade. Images of Germania and Mariana were embossed on the coins and stamps. Their images were erected at public square. The intention was to create the feeling of nationalism. Image of Germania was made by Philip Wett. Now we come on the topic Silesia Weaver Uprising. It was a revolt of weavers at Silesia. About 18,000 people lived in Silesia. Most of them were weavers. Here, the raw materials were provided by the contractors. The situation becomes tense when contractors increase the price of raw material, but payment of weavers was reduced. Actually, this destroyed the livelihood of weavers. They attacked the house of contractors. Finally, the situation was brought under control when the army was called in. And we get the information through the reporting done by Wilhelm Wolff. Now we come on another topic. Condition of Europe during 1830s. Europe was going through very bad patches during 1830s. Poverty was pervasive, unemployment was going on, there was continuously population increasing, crops were going failure, religious conflict was going there, unhygienic condition prevailed. So we can say that the condition of Europe was very miserable. Here people became fed up with the prevailing situation in France, and people revolted in Paris, and the situation also called Paris Revolt. Now we come the topic Romanticism. It was a cultural movement initiated by the philosophers, painters, and other scholars who tried to create the feeling of nationalism through various sources. The name indicates that it was a cultural movement. So, operas, music, paintings, and writings were used to create the feeling of nationalism. For example, Johann Gottfried created the feeling of nationalism in Germany through Romanticism. Similarly, Karol Kurepenski in Poland created feeling of nationalism through operas, music, and folk dance. Actually, there was a dominance of Russia on Poland. When Russian dominance was established, Russia removed the Polish language and introduced Russian language. Here, language was used as a weapon against Russian dominance, and people of Poland became successful in their motive. Now we come to the end of these topics. We come with another important topic in the next video.